The truth about fats: not all fats are created equal. Some fats are beneficial, while others can be detrimental to your health. Fats are an essential part of a healthy diet. They provide energy, help the body absorb vitamins, and protect organs. Healthy fats, like those found in salmon, avocados, and nuts, are crucial for maintaining good health. However, not all fats are created equal. Some fats are good for you, while others can be harmful. Unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats, are often found in fast food and processed snacks. Understanding the difference is crucial for your health. Knowing which fats to include in your diet and which to avoid can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. For years, we were told to avoid fat altogether. This led to a lot of confusion and misinformation about dietary fats, but our bodies need fat. Healthy fats support brain function, hormone production, and cell growth. They also help keep our skin and hair healthy. The key is choosing the right kind of fat. Opt for unsaturated fats, like those found in olive oil, nuts, and fish, which can improve heart health and reduce inflammation. Think of it like this: good fats are like high-octane fuel for your body, while bad fats are like sludge that clogs up your system. Just as a car runs better on premium fuel, your body functions optimally with healthy fats. Knowing the difference between good and bad fats can be confusing. With so much conflicting information out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. We'll simplify the science and give you practical tips for making healthier choices. In the following sections, we'll explore the different types of fats, their benefits, and how they impact your health. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to incorporate healthy fats into your diet for a better, healthier you. Good fats, also known as unsaturated fats, are essential for a healthy heart, brain, and body. They come in two main types: monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats also help regulate blood sugar, which is important for managing weight and preventing type 2 diabetes. Polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, are crucial for brain function, cell growth, and reducing inflammation. These good fats are found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Bad fats, including saturated and trans fats, can wreak havoc on your health, leading to a multitude of serious health issues. These harmful fats significantly increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions that can severely impact your quality of life. Saturated fats, commonly found in fatty meats, butter, and full-fat dairy products, can raise LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs your arteries. High levels of LDL cholesterol contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries, which restricts blood flow and increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Trans fats, also known as partially hydrogenated oils, are considered the worst type of fat for your heart. These fats are created by adding hydrogen to liquid oils, turning them into solid fats, which are used in many processed foods. Trans fats are prevalent in many processed foods, fried foods, and baked goods, making them hard to avoid in a typical diet. They not only raise LDL cholesterol, but also lower HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, creating a double whammy for heart health. This dual effect makes trans fats particularly dangerous, as they disrupt the balance of cholesterol in your body, leading to increased cardiovascular risk. Section 4. Winning the fat fight. Tips for a healthier you. The good news is that making simple changes to your diet can have a big impact on your heart health. Reducing bad fats and incorporating more good fats is easier than you think. Start by limiting your intake of saturated fats. Choose lean meats such as chicken breast or fish over fatty cuts of beef or pork. Opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy products instead of full-fat options. Next, banish trans fats from your diet. Read food labels carefully and avoid products that list partially hydrogenated oil as an ingredient. Remember, even small amounts of trans fats can be harmful. Section 5. Smart swaps for a low-fat lifestyle. Making healthy substitutions is key to reducing bad fats and increasing good fats in your diet. These small changes can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Instead of cooking with butter or lard, try olive oil or avocado oil. These oils are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Swap out sour cream with plain Greek yogurt for a healthy and flavorful alternative. Greek yogurt is high in protein and lower in fat, making it a nutritious choice. Snack smarter by choosing nuts and seeds over chips or cookies. A handful of almonds, walnuts or pumpkin seeds provides healthy fats, fiber and protein, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. These snacks are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. When eating out, be mindful of hidden fats. Many restaurant dishes can be high in unhealthy fats, so it's important to ask questions about how the food is prepared. Ask for your food to be grilled, baked or steamed instead of fried. These cooking methods use less fat and help retain the nutrients in your food. Request salad dressings on the side so you can control the amount you consume. This simple step can significantly reduce your intake of unhealthy fats and calories. Section 6. Listen to your body, a balanced approach to fats. Remember, fat is not the enemy. Our bodies need a certain amount of fat to function properly. The key is to choose good fats over bad fats and enjoy them in moderation. Listen to your body and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. If you feel sluggish or bloated after eating a high-fat meal, it's a sign to lighten up on the unhealthy fats. By making conscious choices about the types of fats you consume, you can improve your heart health, boost brain function, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference.